Burp Suite is a cybersecurity tool used for web application security testing and penetration testing. It helps security professionals identify vulnerabilities in websites and web applications by intercepting, modifying, and analyzing network traffic between the user's browser and the target application. Additionally, it serves as a valuable resource for bug bounty hunters. Key features of Burp Suite include proxy, intruder, and repeater. Burp Suite's proxy acts as a man-in-the-middle, enabling users to intercept, inspect, and modify traffic between their browser and a target web application. The repeater feature allows for manual modification and resending of requests, making it useful for testing how an application responds to different inputs. Meanwhile, the intruder feature automates attacks such as brute force, fuzzing, and parameter testing. It allows testers to send multiple requests with different payloads to uncover security weaknesses. Burp Suite comes in various versions and is commonly used in Kali Linux, supporting OWASP security standards. Friends, I hope you're enjoying this new series on the channel, where we explore different cybersecurity tools in just a few minutes to provide you with maximum value. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.